For quality and training purposes.
Hi, channel.
Hey, channel! Mort, shoutout naman kay Nicky Mort.
Mart, doon ako papunta.
Bakod agad hila.
Hey. Go enter na. Let's go!
Where is Baltasar?
Run!
Yes, top left, forget.
Not topless.
Not top left.
Not topless, no.
Okay.
We don't want that in our heads. Remember to block the ladders.
Anong ladder na?
Hindi sila. Saan sila? Tapos
Ladders.
agad sila. Ang dalawa.
Ayan na.
Yan na, lambulan na tinako. Here we go.
Coming one more.
Agad na.
Settle.
Dami.
Mid na. Mart, para.
Anybody
Yan na sila. Napasok na sila.
Diyan na tayo.
They're on call back lap.
The last one.
Nakabando. So, bad. Dali.
Many on call back lap. Okay, clear.
Sumana.
Already died.
Dito sa ating sa spawn sila. I-spawn ka.
Patayin. Sige, patayin mo boss. Spawn. Patayin mo sa spawn boss.
Spawn trap tayo.
Spawn trap sila.
Spawn trapping.
Ito na, pinapatay ko na.
I'm minus 75. Maybe he has Angeline.
Sino susunod?
So last the horn. Yun na. Bodyguard duty. We're on horn duty. Horn is dying. Meat band. Bloom. That's you, Bloom.
Bas. Resurrect.
Hello, Helios. Stop killing me, Helios.
What? That's not me.
Elementals, go back middle.
Elemental sa wag ay
Elementals.
Yeah, coming.
Babawag lang ba tayo boss?
Huwag ka masyado mikit-hilap pag alis ka sa AoE. Ano nga ba lang kami? Resume.
Stop dying.
Ready ka lang sa res.
Minus 75.
Ako nasa gilid. Makakalap.
Coming elemental.
So don't wander off too far from Bloom so that Bloom can constantly band.
Kailangan lumayo na
Bloom, Blood for soap.
element.
So we can counteract the backlash.
Yeah.
They're
Tuloy-tuloy
waiting in the altar.
Sakto pala pagkakuha ko ng 15%.
Almost going to die.
Front else, we are doing it.
I'm not,
Sakto yung pagkakuha ng 15% damage reduction.
We're here.
Heal.
Sorry, didn't.
Sige. Dami
We
yan.
got the elemental too.
Sakto nga sabi ko nakuha.
Tara, horn. Tulungan natin heal, horn. Help
Kuha
the
ko
horn.
yung dalawang ano
Yeah,
Nakadalawang na
sorry
itim
on
na.
the horn and then band and then healing.
Nakuha ko yung shelter.
Is Horn on trouble?
Not right now, but there are chasers. Low HP. Very low HP. So, wait for Bloom, Soap. Wait. And there are enemies there. Wait. Let them clear it first. Clear. I cannot let go.
I cannot see anything. Oh, sorry.
Stop going on 10 o'clock. Prepare the red carpet, guys.
Patay yung mga nagre-respawn.
Go along the
Heal.
path of the horn.
Nadagi sila. Wala yun.
Yeah. They're not in
It's a
whistle.
respawn.
Sige.
Hindi na lalabas. Namatay ka na.
20 seconds for fire and earth.
Hindi pa ako namamatay.
Yeah, already here.
Healing is
Balik.
working almost half HP.
Tara,
Laki ng patong nung ano,
180.
15% ano.
Back to elementals. Back to
Already
elementals.
on elemental now.
3 seconds fire.
Hindi nyo lang.
Guarding elemental now.
Fire earth.
Bakodan lang ni boss.
Heal. Tabi ka lang
Bakodan
hila.
ni boss.
Tabi ka lang hila. Take it.
Taking fire.
Maganda din mag-rest.
Check your position, guys.
Ayun, meron na lumitaw. May lumitaw ng kalaban dito sa...
Ito. Nilinis ko na.
So, outer after this, we are too near the center for Earth spawn.
I got the fire.
Tara, heal. Tulungan natin sa taas.
Nandito sila sa earth.
Nandiyan ako.
Sa earth, oh.
Yan na ako.
So it's actually gaining health right now. Nice. Yeah. Top also spamming Sanctuary and Bloom.
Nice.
Also effective also. Okay, nice. Yeah, top side.
Taking Dracula.
Noted.
Dracula.
Dracula. Ayan, getting. Minus 15 Dracula. Poison.
May nakasalubong.
Yun na kasama.
Hintay nyo kasi na alam.
Okay. Kaya Valencia yun naman.
Okay, it's done.
Buhay pa drop dito.
Speaking the hard anymore. I'm already bored. And hard full health.
Heal after masikas.
Thank you guys.
Tara, help horn. Assist horn. And then back to mid.
That's
so-
one eh. That's
Check
so
for cooldown of TP and Guild Rally. Fender is almost up 100 seconds. It may be better for you to join us there so that we can protect you. And then once we're done, you tele and then Guild Rally everyone. Copy.
I'm already at Fenrir position.
Of course they're gonna be there. It's a spawn point.
hindi ko rest ito pa. Yung mat.
Naman yun na. Ay, ano dito? Stop, let's go to Fenrir. Stop.
70 seconds.
Stop, wrong turn.
Aga pa.
Helio, 700% ng PP.
Pwede na, magdali naman siya after. 1 minute.
It's clear, Fenrir clear.
7-3 pa sa
Oh, nice.
damage shield up.
Nice mechanics.
700.
Guys.
700.
They're here. They're not
Police up.
here.
Position.
Don't worry.
Position Finrod na.
DPS position guys, just around the circle.
Fenrir, 12 seconds.
Don't interfere with the killing of Fenrir if there are enemies around.
Ayang. Yan. Chop.
Fenrir.
Fenrir spawn.
4
Be ready.
seconds.
Fenrir ready. So, you can also cast Magnus. Yeah, true.
Window So,
And cast shield. And then immediately after Fenrir, so teleport and then rally. Again, teleport first before rally. Don't do it in the live casting.
Oh, behind. Oh, nag-obli sila.
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock.
Na water boss, tinamaan ng water. Bagsak ako.
Sop. Tele. Sop. Okay.
Sunod ah.
Stay.
Stay lang.
Stay lang. Elementals. Malapit na elementals.
Okay, copy.
Dracula.
Go to the 11. Sop, goes out.
Drop. Spawn na.
Tara, elementals.
Water.
Wind.
10 seconds.
Tabi ka nila. Baka mamatay ka dyan. Tabi ka lang.
Ang taon.
Okay, gagalaw.
Drop on 8 o'clock location.
Yeah.
And Sop, go back up north. 40 seconds till it opens up again. Going to the upper right is too far. Oh, they're here. They're not moving.
Ayun. Move.
Go Balenci.
Ayun. Kinain natin.
Uy, matay. Reso.
Yan, kaya sabi ko yung live kayo. Okay na.
Very too far from the horn ng Balenci. Let's go.
Tignan ako mamatay.
Fire.
A murderer.
Coming to fire.
Just 8 minutes, guys. 8 minutes. And we are on the top 8, right? Top 8. Top 8.
Cupcake?
Then let's
Overall.
work hard for Crimson in Saturday. Yes. We're gonna prepare hard for Crimson on Saturday, guys.
Okay.
Huh?
I think I just prepare for magic damage and ignore the Dora because the Dora is magic also.
The thing crits.
And hope he doesn't have too much ignore and death. No, I don't think it's gonna be Tagilid. I think it's gonna be Crimson. It's gonna be Crimson.
Help, Horn.
You are not sure.
Horn is safe. Horn
Horn is Kenchana. Horn is Daijobu.
Daijobu in the GCO.
Makapasahan na.
Bok choy. Bok choy subigla.
Advance call, 8 o'clock. Wow. Dali. Well, sometimes they wait up in the altar. Like we do.
I'll try you also. You guys talking about Asian Pechay.
I'm gonna follow you where I go.
They're not responding anymore.
I
I just went past the players that Balenci killed. They're still there. Lying on the floor.
Wala naman talaga bumaba.
I'm following you.
Dracula.
Because I want to go chat build. Horny. It's okay, Frost, because it's cooldown already. Before it's gonna be disabled. Go to the right. Sop.
Fenrir.
Yeah, already stay at Fenrir. Taking Fenrir.
Yeah, you command me.
Go to Fenrir.
50% Fenrir.
I'm following you.
You can tell if you want.
I will kill everybody who you find.
Mental boss.
Those
Those are doing water. Don't come with us.
Okay.
Let's go, elemental.
This mana fix from the water.
I can possess soap.
Really? Oh, that's good.
I wonder if the effect will work because Narco possess with Sigil has similar effect to Immortal Body.
Oh.
Is that Immortal Body the one that when you reach a certain HP percent you get back to 90?
And sinas.
What? What fix?
Isn't that Deadlock Aurora?
Deadlock Aurora, sorry.
No, I don't have. Why? Do you want to taste my ball?
Why are we talking about Forget's balls?
I don't know,
What's
Tix.
He said he didn't have any though.
He asked me about my balls. Holy shit. You like my balls?
Can you not? Can you not talk about your balls?
Holy shit.
2 minutes up. 2 minutes.
It's okay. Maybe the other one.
Yeah,
You
I
like
knew
better
it.
than the other one.
See, it's Karma 12. Not equal like
Is that really?
Here is up.
Yeah, taking Fenrir.
I
I
thought
thought
they
they
have
have a lot of warlocks.
Okay, so we just do what's next.
Do you wanna,
Ash.
do you wanna give them? Oh yeah, don't jinx it.
Who is Kobeni?
The baby is Emo. Emo
The Benny is Emo's old account. Emo is now the new Venti.
Ah, okay.
Sop, rally them all. Rally them all, Sop.
No, nobody accepting the rally call.
Divine teleport yun.
Teleport all. Picture.
Picture ba yan? Picture?
Ready screenshot.
This is recorded. Hintay ka nila upload.
This panda still looking for enemy.
I'm an auto.
Don't want picture.
Oh, sorry, I'm on auto. I didn't see.
Wait.